make a lot of videos about how to use Binance P2P, and a lot of you ask a lot of questions, and some questions I do answer them, and um, most times some question needs some real life experiment. All right. So a question that a user once asked some time ago was like, okay, what if you you place an ad on Binance P2P, and then someone have actually uh, claimed they have paid, but you have not received an alert? What do you do? I told the person, okay, you will claim an appeal. You will click for an appeal. If you wait after like an hour or 2 hours without receiving the alert, you click for an appeal. All right, which actually has just happened to me, and then I did that. All right, and it happened since I think about since Friday last week. Today is Monday. Today is Monday, and that's the 27th of December. All right. So I've this happened to me, and the person was like, "Okay, what if you still did not receive an alert after a day?" I said, "Okay, admin will come in." Okay, the person said, "Okay, what if you still did not receive alert after like 2 days?" I said, "Okay, the admin, they know what to do." All right. So this is just like an answer to most questions regarding this kind of situation. All right, I made an order. I think about $15 or thereabout, an order on Binance. All right, uh, yeah, 13.9 something dollars, and this person claims she has paid, but I have not received the money in my bank account. All right, so what I did was I clicked for an appeal, and then after some few hours, Binance came in, and then they requested a message from the person, and the person replied that she has paid and I have not received. I uploaded my statement of account, screenshot showing my account. All right, and she uploaded a screenshot as well showing that she actually did pay me. All right, most times banks in Nigeria do have that kind of fault whereby you make transfer, and then it will not go through for 48 hours or even up to a week. So like they will tell you to wait for 7 working days, or sometimes you might have to visit the bank branch, and then they will conduct some manual recovery for the funds. All right. So I didn't receive it. So the next phase that Binance took us through was Binance requested that we make video showing the statement of our account, showing that, okay, for me, showing that I've not received from the date that the payment was made, the date that the order was made, to the date that to the current time, date and time, scrolling through the statement of my account. All right, I did that, and then they also requested for the other person that claimed that she has sent the money to make a video showing that she actually sent the money from the date that the order was created to the current time and date. All right, so to show if there is no reversal or anything. All right, and this video should be made with with a third party phone. All right, that is, you made video recording your own screen, not with your own phone screen recorder, but with another phone screen. All right, so she did that, I did that, and everything was clear and clear. I have not received the alert. She has sent the money. All right, so eventually I kept communicating with her, and she was like, "Okay, I've sent the money." I said, "Okay, are you sure they've not reversed it?" She said, "No, they've not reversed it." All right, so I said, "Okay, no problem. Let me wait and see what will happen." All right. At the end of the day, she later sent message that she has contacted her bank, and they told her to wait up until Friday before they can work on the situation. All right. So up until now, Friday counts from Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Today is Monday. This is the third day. All right. The money has not yet arrived. But right now, I just got the alert now. So I'm going to confirm right now, and I'm going to upload screenshot that I just got the money right now, and then confirm that I've received the money, and the case will be settled. All right. So if you are actually dealing on Binance P2P and then you are afraid of situation like this is actually how it goes. If someone have uploaded proof and you have not received it, no matter how proven the alert is, or the screenshot is, or how appealing it is, you have to wait till you receive your money before you actually release funds to that person, and you should be checking with your bank as well. So, all right. So this is my screenshot right here. This is my screenshot here. I just received the money, so I have to go to Binance P2P right now. Click here, then click on P2P, and then I click on the progress of the matter. So I'll click on this progress right here. Their users will leave this appeal as pending. Kindly inform us on Friday on the result. Thank you. All right, that's all after she made this statement. All right, saying that she has called her bank that they say it will be till Friday. All right, so that's 3 working days. All right, so now I have to click provide more information, and then I'll just write here I have just received the alert now, the money now. All right, then I'll click here to upload a screenshot. Oh no, click here, upload this is the screenshot proof. All right, I just submitted that now. So then I'll now go here. I'll now come here, click cancel on appeal. Once the agreement is confirmed by both parties, the appeal will be cancelled. Once the appeal is cancelled, users can proceed to complete the order. Cancelling the appeal will not result in cancellation of the order itself. You can file another appeal if you encounter another issue. So you can cancel the appeal right now and then confirm this everlasting order. This is the longest order that has ever taken place. All right, so I receive code sent to my phone, autofill. Boom, here it goes. The order is finally confirmed. All right, so that's just simply how to do this. Like and confirm. Did you actually learn something new in the video? Like and subscribe.